I'll record the explanation for this. To find the n term, the formula for n term, sometimes I just write n term, or you can use the symbol un. It's a plus n minus 1 d. That's the formula for n term. And I can rearrange this formula and write it in a slightly different way. If you remove the brackets, you multiply out this bracket, you can write this n term as a plus dn minus d. And if you rearrange this one and bring this to the back, you can write it as dn plus a minus d. So that's the same formula for the n term. I'll just rearrange it differently. So now, looking at that list of numbers there, minus 1, 3, 7, and 11. The first term a, the first term is minus 1, and the common difference, to go from minus 1 to 3, you add 4. You go from 3 to 7, you add 4. So the common difference is plus 4. So to write down the n term, that would be the difference is plus 4. So it's 4n plus a is the first term, minus 1, minus d, which is minus 4. So the n term, it will give you 4n for number 2, n term for number 2d, 4n minus 5. So 4n minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So that will be the n term. And it says find the 10th term. So for the 10th term, it means put n equals to 10. So when you sub in n equals to 10, that will be 4 times 10 minus 5, which will give you 4 times 10 minus 5 is 40 minus 5. 4 times 10 is 40 minus 5 gives you 35. We know that the n term un is a plus n minus 1 d. So they want to find the number of terms. It starts at 90, goes down to 88, goes down to 86, 16, and then 14. So from this 90 is the first one. So that's the A. A is 90, the first one. This 14 is the last. Is the last term. So we know the formula for the n term, and we know the formula for the, so the first one is A. So we will use this form, this one, we will use this 14 because we know the last term. That 14 there will play a key part. Since we know the last term is 14, we will put the 14 to be the un. The last term is 14. And then we know the difference. Each time you move, the difference is minus 2. From 90 to 88 is minus 2. So it's going down by minus 2 each time. Minus 2. So the difference is minus 2. So where we see d, we'll replace d with minus 2. And then we'll replace a with 90. And then we'll solve that equation. So that would mean 14. 14 is equals to A, the first one is 90. plus n minus 1 times d, which is minus 2. So we can solve this equation. 14 is equals to 90. Remove the bracket, minus 2n plus 2. So to solve this, I can take minus 2n to the left. It becomes plus 2n is equals to, and then I'll do 90 plus 2, it will be 92 minus 14. Because I'll take 14 to the right. So you add the 90 plus 2 is 92 minus 14. And what will be 92 minus 14? So n would be 92 take away 14 divided by 2. So 92 take away 14. It gives you 78 divided by 2. Which is, it gives you 39. So there are 39 terms if you count from 91, 88, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 14 would be the 39th term. So there are 39 terms in that sequence. Does that help?
Thank you.